Sinking up and coming down, that's a slow way to drown. That's what I'm used to. Touch to cut you deep, it's hard to find, it's hard to keep, it's hard to lose too. Another smoke, another flame, another rush to the brain.